Question 5, quick one to finish off really. We're told that g is 10 metres per second squared. For this question, just bear that in mind. Putting the information they've given us on the diagram, once you've drawn that, different colour, split it up into components. It's going to be 60 cos alpha and 60 sine alpha. Now, they have given us alpha, but they've given tan of alpha. But rather than grabbing a calculator and working out what alpha is, we don't actually need to know what alpha is. We just need to know sine alpha and cos alpha. And you can work those out by just quickly sketching a right angled triangle, labelling one of the angles alpha, and then tan alpha is 4 over 3, so opposite must be 4 and adjacent must be 3. And therefore Pythagoras gives us the hypotenuse. It's a classic 3, 4, 5 triangle as it turns out, and therefore sine theta is 4/5 and cos theta is 3/5. So before I go any further, I'm going to come back to my green components here and actually just replace those. So 60 times 3/5 is 36, and 60 times 4/5 is 48. Great, Suvat. Oh yeah, sorry. Before we go any further, question 1 then, I think it, look, I've drawn a tiny little s there, because I think it should say the times at which the particle is at a height of 99 metres. So there's going to be 2. So imagine drawing a line, horizontal line at 99 metres. Where does it intersect the trajectory of the particle? But we don't have that equation, and as I said in the previous question, you don't need to work out that Cartesian equation. You just do what we always do, which is Suvat. So at these 2 points, we don't know how far along it is, but we do know it's 99 up. So I'm saying x 99. We know u, that's our green components. A is 0 minus 10, this question. T is the thing we go via to as a sort of go-between between the 2 components. So we've got SU, A and T, S equals UT plus half AT squared, our old friend. Substitute everything in and split into the 2 separate equations. Marvellous. We have 2 simultaneous equations there, although we just can work out T from the second equation. Now, you can just use your class whiz to quickly get the values of T. Don't forget to take away the 99 first, so it's equal to 0. But that second equation just gives us T as 3 or 6.6. And that's the answer to part 1. And to answer part 2, you literally just need to substitute into this formula here. X is 36 times our 2 previous results. 36 times 3, 108 metres, and 36 times 6.6 is 237.6 metres.